Okay, I'm starting out my video today by reading 1 Peter 1:16, which says, "Because it is written, you shall be holy, for I am holy." Okay, we're going to look into the numbers of the scripture and some deeper meanings of the word holy. Okay, so first of all, look at the numbers of the scripture. The word Peter equals 64. And you got the 1 here and the 1 and the 16 there. So we take all those numbers, 164, 116, then add to its reverse, 611461, you're going to get 775577. And if you divide it into 3 separate parts, like 7 plus 7 is 14, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 plus 0 is 1, 7 plus 7 is 14, 1 plus 4 is 5, so you get 515. If you add it to its reflection, 212, it's going to be 727, which is 314 plus 413 is 727, and pi is represented by 3.14. So it's representing pi opposite pi. And if you take just the chapter and verse number, you see the numbers 116, and 116 plus 611 is 727. And what's interesting, he says, you shall be holy because I am holy. And I am holy equals 83. And the words 83 equals 727 in Hebrew gematria. Okay, if you look at the word holy, you're going to see it starts with H, ends with a Y. H is the 8th letter, Y is the 25th letter, 2 plus 5 is 7. So you got 8, 7, like the beginning and end, like he's the Alpha and Omega. So the words 8, 7, I don't have it written here, but if you look up the words 8, 7, put 8, 7 in the gematria calculator. In Hebrew gematria, it equals 969. And I talk about how that pi equals 69 in Jewish gematria. And then you get 69 going backwards, looking like the 6996. It's just pi opposite pi, just like the 314 and the 413 do from the numbers of the scripture. If you take the word holy and you shrink each letter down to its smallest value, H is 8, O is 15, 1 plus 5 is 6, L is the 12th letter, 1 plus 2 is 3, Y is the 25th letter, 2 plus 5 is 7, so you get 8, 6, 3, 7. Then add to its reverse, don't carry the number over. 7 plus 8 is 15, 1 plus 5 is 6, the 3 and 6 make a 9, the 6 and 3 make a 9, again, the 8 and 7 are 15, 1 plus 5 is 6, so you get 6996 from the word holy. Okay, and then, as we go on, if you put this phrase, I want to go back to this here, the 314 and the 413. If you write this way, putting the 413 first, then the 314 after, and separate it into 3 parts, like 4 and 1 make a 5, the 2 3s make a 6, the 1 and 4 make a 5, you get 565, which is the numbers of, sorry, I have to switch hands, the numbers of now, because, oh, my pen don't write. Okay, sorry about that. Because N is the 14th letter, 1 plus 4 is 5, O is the 15th letter, 1 plus 5 is 6, W is the 23rd letter, 2 plus 3 is 5, so you get the numbers of now. Pi opposite pi. Pi opposite pi. Time, anti-time. And even if you look at this number here, you think of time. Time equals 144 in Hebrew gematria. And if you divide 144 divided by 2 equals 72. So you see 72 this way, then you see 72 backwards. So that's to it, God being holy, God always being in the now. He's not in time like we are. With God, it's always now. That's what it means by getting to know God. Even have the word now in it, getting to know God. And we shall be holy because he is holy. But the scripture says, you shall be holy because I am holy. So we're going to be like God. We're going to live in the now. He's going to take us out of time. We're going to leave time. And if you take this phrase, you shall be holy because I am holy, it equals 319 in simple gematria. Now, if you look at this number, you can see pi going backwards, P-I-E. And then if you put its reverse or its reflection, it's going to look like P-I-E. You can see pi going backwards, pi going forward. And if you take the number 319, add it to 913, don't carry the number over. 9 plus 3 is 12, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 and 1 make a 2, 3 plus 9 is 12, 1 plus 2 is 3, so you can get 323. And 32 times 3 is 96, so you get pi going backwards. And if you take the number backwards, 3 times 23, it's 69. So again, you get pi opposite pi. And what's interesting is that the words I am equal 23 in simple gematria, and you're going to see 23 going backwards and 23 going forward. Jesus is a perfect reflection of his Father, and he's going to bring heaven and earth together, time and anti-time together, to make a way out for us so that we can be holy just as God is holy. We'll be living in the now just like God is living in the now. Okay, that's my video for today, and I hope everybody has a good day.